Welcome to the PFI program database. It's pretty simple to use, and in this video I'll give you a few guiding principles which will equip you to successfully navigate the system. Most likely the file will open on the home page as you see here, but no worries if it doesn't. You can always find your way back to home by clicking on the PFI icon on the top left hand corner of each page. Now on this home page, the menu is split into 4 areas. The first category is search data. By clicking any of the first 3 will take you to a user-friendly data search page. Here I will click data search for general statistics. So we find ourselves on the data search for general statistics page. We have 3 categories from which we can narrow our search. First one is to either go by different types of region or by country. In this case I select country, and we can select any one of every country in the world. Once we've chosen the country, we can then choose the type of statistic we want data for. So let's say murder rate in this case. We get a result of 6.7 per 100,000. Another nice page from the search data section is the Prison Fellowship Office and Summary data. We have all of the regions and countries listed down the left hand side with all the categories for which we have data listed horizontally across the top. Now if you want to dig deeper into each one of these data sets, simply select the hyperlink that can be found at the top of each column. In this case I choose female prisoners. Now you can see in this case that I've already run a filter on this page. In order to clear that filter, simply select that button above, which most pages do have. And then you can select and search your data according to regions or by country. And finally, from the search data section going into the summary data page, I want to show you this feature called snapshot graphs. This creates a nice selection of countries that you choose, which enables one to quickly compare and contrast data. It's often easier to select out a region. In this case I will use Western Europe as an example. And this is going to create graphs which compare prison population totals, number of prisons, murder rate, prison population rates, etc. But you could vary this list according to regions or countries, whatever you choose. And finally, if you know exactly what data you want to search for, you want to go straight down to the landscape section, and you can choose any one of these indicator categories and unpack the full data set that we have. Again, let's clear filters. Here you can see all of the data sets that we have for each of the countries. You can filter by country or run down the list manually or select a range of countries that you would like data for, and it will break down for you all of the data that we have. And as we move forward, we'll get the dates and the references for each of these data sets. For many of them within the system, they do exist already. In the passage of time, the idea is to take this database online, which will enable people to fill in and update data there and then and make it more real time and a more accessible tool. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoy using this one.